Delaney. Welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if this is your first time coming here. Today we're going to be doing a college apartment tour. It is a little bit empty right now because I decided to do this a little too late. I'm moving out in a week. I've been slowly taking things back home because I know that I will not be able to fit everything into one car ride. So some stuff is missing. I went to the University of Tennessee, Knoxville. I graduated in May, so I've just been here until my lease is up at the end of July, and then I will be moving to New York. So I figured right now, why not film a apartment tour, because I did a dorm room tour a few years ago, my freshman year of college. Now I'm graduated, and then in a few months I will probably be making a New York City apartment tour, because why the hell not? Also, if you're new here and you like this video and you like me, maybe, give this video a thumbs up, maybe hit the subscribe button if you want. I would really love it and appreciate it because I love validation from strangers on the internet. Maybe even turn on that notification bell so that you know every time I make a new video. And leave a comment, because why not? Let's just add all of it in there. All right, time for me to stop talking and show you my apartment. Alright, short, sweet, and to the point. Here's a little overview right when you walk in. So there's my kitchen, and then over there is the living room area. The apartment came with really nice appliances, so that was dope. All of the furniture here was added by the apartment, except for that chair. This chair I got on Facebook Marketplace, and I love it. Please admire it. Over here in the windowsill, I have a bunch of my plants. Don't look too closely at them. Some of them are not doing too well, but I still love them with all of my heart. This thing my mom and I made, well, mostly my mom, I printed pictures that I took when I studied abroad in Greece on Paraboo Press, I think it's called, and we built this little frame and hung them up, and I really love that area. Over here in this corner, we used to have a bar cart, but I took it home last month so that I wouldn't have to move it later on because it's glass. So just imagine that there's a bar cart right there. Wow, great, awesome. Now back over to the kitchen, this little drawer thing my boss gave to me. It's from Ikea. It's awesome. It's a Foley table. This is a bunch of mini bottles of wine that I got from Costco. Over here is all my Keurig cups. Then we have our toaster oven that we use an ungodly amount. Love that thing so much. And then my favorite thing in the kitchen, my ice maker, because I'm anemic and I love to eat ice. Here's the microwave. My Keurig, I drink like 7 cups of coffee a day. There's the dishwasher. And it came with a washer and dryer, which is really nice because some apartments don't. There's a little storage back there. That's where I throw my shoes, right outside my door because I'm a mess. Then when you walk in my room, right away there's a door to my bathroom and my closet. And the closet is definitely probably the best part of this whole apartment. It's huge. It's walk-in, like I can lay down on the floor and still have room. There's lots of shelves. And it even came with these 2 little stackable drawers that you'll see in a second. So it's great. There's lots of room, and I'm going to miss this so much when I move to New York and probably won't have a closet at all. Now, I'm not going to show you in my shower because it's really gross right now, but here's sink area, lots of storage, shower curtain from Urban Outfitters. Now walking in from the living room to my room, here's just a little overview of what it looks like. It's not too big, not too small, really nice size. I used to have a navy duvet cover on my bed, but I took it off to wash it and never put it back on because it's really hard. So, yeah. That little macrame thing is from Urban Outfitters. I have Wes Anderson movie prints on that wall right there. And my favorite part is my desk. Look at that keyboard. Look at that mouse pad. Wow, so pretty, so fun. This is where I keep my records. My record player's back home. Just moved it back. There's my TV mounted on my wall. My Lemberg flag because I'm a 12-year-old boy who loves Minecraft. Iron Man. Love of my life. Little door hooks. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video. Subscribe. Goodbye. I love you.